What's up? I'm going to show you an easy crock pot recipe for pot roast. All you need to do is line up some onions on the bottom, put about a tablespoon of minced garlic, put that in the bottom of your crock pot. Then you get a piece of boneless chuck roast. I prefer like 3.5 to 4 pounds. This one's a little small, but it'll do. Now this recipe takes about 8 hours if you do it the slow way, about 4 the faster way. Now what you want to do is brown it in the pan and season it. So you want to get all the seasoning on there and kind of, engrave it in there, kind of burn it in there. Give it a nice brown on the outside. Then you want to throw it back in your crock pot and put whatever veggies you want in there. I used carrots. You can use carrots, celery. You can put potatoes in there, whatever you like to have on the side. Potatoes are good. Then it'll come out like this. Doesn't look all too appealing, but it is really good. Those are heavily seasoned carrots on top. I kind of just threw them all in there, and there you go. You have some really tender meat. Because of all that fat, it creates water and moisture and makes it very moist and very tender.